Tesla China is about to focus on domestic orders, but there's still lots of cars to export. The first quarter is past its halfway point, so expectations are high that Gigafactory Shanghai will now be prioritizing domestic vehicle orders for the remaining vehicles of quarter one. As Tesla China focuses on the local Chinese market, however, the company still needs to finish exporting some of the vehicles that it produced for international markets. Recent aerial footage from the Shanghai port reveals that Tesla still has to export a large number of its cars this quarter. I will have the link of that video in the description of this video so you guys can see it. As noted by longtime Tesla China watcher Wuwa, who made the video, it is expected that several more ships would be needed to clear out the electric vehicles that are currently gathered at the port. With this in mind, it would be surprising if Tesla's fleet of export vehicles is still sighted in the location in the days to come, writes Tesla Radi in his coverage. After this, expectations are high that Tesla China will focus resources on meeting the demand in the domestic market. The electric vehicle maker typically allots resources to exports in the first half of the quarter before focusing on the local Chinese market in the second half. This quarter, however, seems poised to be quite different for Tesla China. Recent reports have suggested that Tesla China plans to halt some production at Gigafactory Shanghai until the end of February, as I reported several days ago, for the to get it ready for the new refreshed Model 3 production. The shutdown is reportedly due to upgrades rolling out the facility's Model 3 line. The upgrades appear to be quite secret too, with some reports stating that even Giga Shanghai employees are not allowed on production lines as soon as Sunday. Maybe a new vehicle? A potential upgrade for the Tesla Model 3 in China is quite exciting, especially considering the company's efforts with Project Highland in the United States. Project Highland Model 3 units are expected to introduce a number of improvements to the all-electric sedans, such as a revamped infotainment system and updates to the exterior and powertrain performance. More importantly, Project Highland is expected to make the Model 3 easier to build, likely due to the use of mega casts that are also incorporated in the Model Y today. Tesla's Project Highland updates are expected to be put into production in quarter 3 2023. So this is really exciting. We're looking forward to see what comes up. Please subscribe to this channel because as new information is available, I will report here, guys. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Check out my other videos as well as visit us at TorqueNews.com for daily Tesla and other electric vehicle news. God bless you and I'll see you soon. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Tweet it out and I'll see you soon in our next report.